Hi guys, Seth Geddes here. Today I'm going to be showing you my Lego Technic Ford GT alternate build. It is a Bugatti Divo. I'll show you its features. By far my favorite feature is the W16 engine. It has one crankshaft connecting to all 16 pistons. The pistons are just axles that go up and down when bumped. It's harder to see the side ones, so you're gonna have to get a good angle. It has independent suspension on all four wheels. Doesn't go a lot, but most hypercars don't have very much suspension travel. It has a steering knob at the top. It has a kind of large turning radius, but I think that's okay. The interior is kind of detailed. Hard to get a good angle. The chairs are just about exactly the same from the Ford GT, so not much of a difference there. And now for a couple angles on the build. I like how the grille lines up and how the upside down U-shaped part right here is there. Looks like a Bugatti in my mind. I liked how the headlights worked. When I saw these pieces, I knew they'd have to go right there on the Bugatti. The Bugatti Divo, it actually has parts that look like that, and I think I replicated it pretty well. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please like and subscribe, and maybe comment on Rebrickable. Speaking of Rebrickable, if you want to build this, head over to rebrickable.com and look up 42154 Bugatti Divo. You'll find it. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.